Introduction to Python. Agenda. What is Python? Why learn Python? Python vs. other languages. Python applications. Learning Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Python is known for its simple and easy-to-read syntax, which makes it an excellent language for beginners. It is an open-source language, which means that its source code is freely available to everyone. It has a large and active community of users who contribute to its development and provide support. Here we see a standard PyCharm interface with an open Python file. The code has indentations and colors indicating scope and Python keywords. It has a wide range of applications in fields such as web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. It is easy to learn and has a low learning curve compared to other programming languages. It has a large number of libraries and frameworks that make it easy to develop complex applications with minimal effort. It has a large and active community that provides support and resources, making it easier to learn and develop with the language. Python is more convenient than C in terms of readability and ease of use. C requires a lot of manual memory management and has a steep learning curve, whereas Python handles memory management automatically and has an easy-to-read syntax. It is also more flexible and versatile than Java. Java is a statically typed language, meaning that variables must be declared before use, whereas Python is dynamically typed, allowing for more flexible and intuitive coding. Here are code snippets of Python, C and Java executing a program to print the phrase, "Hello World." Here are some of the applications of the Python programming language. Data science. Python is widely used in data analysis and visualization due to its powerful libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Machine learning. Python is the most popular language for developing machine learning models, due to its easy-to-use libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Automation. Python can be used to automate repetitive tasks, such as scraping data from websites, converting files from one format to another, and more. Networking. Python can be used to develop network applications, such as web servers, proxy servers, and more. Web development. Lastly, Python is used to develop web applications and frameworks such as Django and Flask. Here are some steps to learn and become proficient at programming using Python. Learn the basic syntax and data types in Python. Python has a simple and straightforward syntax, which makes it easy to learn for beginners. Some of the basic data types in Python include numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, etc. It's important to understand these data types and how to manipulate them in your code. Explore built-in functions and modules. Python comes with several built-in functions and modules that you can use in your programs. For example, you can use the math module to perform mathematical operations such as square roots. You can also create your own functions to organize and reuse your code. Create and run Python scripts. Python scripts are simply py files that contain Python code. You can create these files in any text editor, and then run them from the command line or within the development environment you have set up. When you run a Python script, the code in the script will be executed from top to bottom. Practice, practice, practice. Lastly, the more you practice writing Python code, the more comfortable you will become with the language. Start with simple. Have fun exploring Python.